Welcome to Hiking Adventures with Mark Winfield. Today, Patty and I are hiking Marble Mountain in the Adirondack Mountains in upstate New York. The hike is only 3.6 kilometers and is moderate in difficulty. When you're looking at the video, you won't appreciate the fact that the trail from the bottom to the top is very steep. The video doesn't show that very well. Don't know what these foundations were for. As you can see up the trail, it continues to go up. Another pair of foundations. A curious little building here. Not sure what it is. Let's go take a look. It almost looks like a place where you could use as an emergency shelter, because a person could stretch out in there, or a couple of people. Hard to say. Quite a few erratics here. Big one right next to me. Another one over there. Go up. Thick moss on that little tiny bluff that's there. Cool. You can tell, but that's plenty steep up there. Another of those foundations, but this time there's only one, which we wonder about. Now I found the second foundation. It's partially covered with dirt and moss. And we think we're getting close to the top. We'll see. Patty has said a number of times she has noticed a faint smell of musk, which is sometimes an indication of a bear. We haven't seen any bear, nor have we seen any bear droppings. But certainly bears would live in woods like this. Just down there, looks like there's a path that goes out to the view, but the trail goes this way, just for, I think, a short distance, quite flat, to actually get to the summit. If you come all this way, you gotta find the marker for the summit. We've come to the end of our trail, and if we were to go down this way, apparently, that would take us to the Wilmington Reservoir, 2.2 miles. And I'm not sure where that would take you, but we're not going that way.
ASR.
Patty has found some beautiful lady slippers here, which we see also back in Nova Scotia. So here we are, we're at just right by the summit of Marble Mountain in upstate New York. We are near Whiteface Mountain, and we just met some new hiker friends here, helped them out with some repairs to their gear. Why don't you introduce yourself?
I'm Rich, this is Jocelyn. We're from Balsam Spa, New York. We're up here doing a day hike in Whiteface, and we started at the Wilmington Reservoir.
Yeah, and this is your first summit, I guess.
This is Jocelyn's first high peak.
Congratulations.
Yep.
Just one of many, I'm sure.
I've done probably it's about my 72nd now.
Ah, cool.
So, fun times.
So we're heading out this little trail where the views are. Looks like we go down to that little plateau. Heading down. So we're up here on the trail about 2/3 of the way up to the top of Marble Mountain, and we met some more local hikers. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Emily, and this is my father, Bill.
Hey, Bill. And Bill claims to be exceptionally well prepared.
He's a beginner hiker, and he brought some duct tape with him.
I'm an advanced hiker with limited experience.
And we're hiking Whiteface today, so...
Yeah, so you got some work ahead of you.
Yes, we have a lot ahead of us.
Yeah, so we'll let you go. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Heading down is slow going because there's a lot of loose rocks and you got to be careful, but it's a lot easier than the trip up was. We never did figure out what those foundations were all the way up the trail, and also that funny little building. So if anybody has any thoughts or knows what they are, please send me a message. I'd be curious to find out. Thank you. Sending my end of hike message. This was a very enjoyable hike, though it was challenging because it's quite steep, though it's not a long hike. Nice views up top, and we met some great people. The steep part of the trail reminds me a lot of what you would see in the White Mountains in the Mount Washington Valley, much more than what you would commonly see in the Adirondacks. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel. See you on the trail.